Crypto family, listen carefully. Something huge is happening with Near Protocol, Near, and it's flying under the radar of most traders. While the broader crypto market is stumbling, Near is quietly making moves that could transform it from a mid-cap altcoin into a front-runner of the AI-powered blockchain economy. We're talking about a coin that just broke key resistance levels, aligned itself with the exploding artificial intelligence narrative, and has analysts mapping price targets that stretch all the way to $7.50. The question is simple. Is Near about to stage its biggest rally of 2025, or is this just another fake-out? Let's break it down step by step. At press time, Near is holding strong above the $3 level, even while Bitcoin and other majors are struggling with volatility. That's not random. This token has something working in its favor that most others don't right now. It's riding the intersection of AI and blockchain. In crypto, narratives drive money. We've seen it before. DeFi in 2020, NFTs in 2021, and meme coins in 2023. Now the AI economy is the hottest narrative on chain, and Near is branding itself as the blockchain of AI. That branding isn't just marketing hype. Near has rolled out actual infrastructure for AI agents, autonomous bots that can execute tasks across blockchains, maintain privacy, and scale into real-world applications. Their Project Shade Agents is already showing how confidential AI can run natively on-chain. This positions Near in direct alignment with where investors believe the next wave of crypto adoption will come from, decentralized AI networks. Now let's zoom out. Near isn't the only one betting on AI. The Ethereum Foundation recently formed a dedicated AI research team, focusing on building a decentralized AI stack. Their argument is simple. Ethereum makes AI trustworthy, and AI makes Ethereum useful. That's a powerful synergy, and it signals something bigger. The two largest smart contract ecosystems, Ethereum and Near, are both moving aggressively into AI. Why does that matter? Because whenever Ethereum validates a sector, it legitimizes it for the rest of the market. And Near, with its low fees and scalability via sharding, has the technical advantage to implement AI-native features faster than Ethereum itself. This creates a unique dynamic. Ethereum is the giant, but Near is the agile disruptor. Investors who missed the ETH run in 2020 are looking at Near as a potential underdog play. Now, let's get into the technicals, because the chart is where things get interesting. On Friday, Near pushed to an intraday high of $3.34 before cooling slightly. But here's what stands out. The move came immediately after the U.S. Federal Reserve cut interest rates by 25 basis points, reducing the range to 4.00%, 4.25%. Lower rates often act as rocket fuel for risk assets like crypto. Add in the buzz around AI and you've got the perfect macro plus narrative combo driving Near's breakout. The MACD indicator has been flashing a buy signal since September 8th. The blue line remains above the red, confirming bullish momentum. The 50-day EMA, $2.64, is about to cross above the 100-day EMA, $2.62. This golden cross is one of the most powerful bullish patterns in technical analysis. Current resistance sits around $3.38. A clean break could set up a run to $3.80 and beyond. But let's keep it real, it's not all sunshine and rainbows. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, is at 72, firmly in overbought territory. That means a correction could hit at any time as traders lock in profits. The safety nets? The 200-day EMA, $2.86, and those mid-level EMAs around $2.62, $2.64. If Near dips, those are your key support zones. Now here's where things get spicy. Crypto analyst Alex Clay has identified a textbook inverse head and shoulders pattern forming on the Near chart. If this pattern confirms, the breakout could be explosive. Clay mapped out three key targets: $4.60, the first level of breakout confirmation; $5.95, a major resistance flip zone; $7.50, the moonshot target that would mark a full trend reversal. To put that into perspective, a run from $3 to $7.50 would be a 150% rally. That's not just a technical breakout, that's a trend-defining move. Here's the deal. The resistance level Near is facing right now is no joke. It's like a locked vault door. Traders have tried to break it before, and it keeps pushing them back. If Near can smash through, it opens the floodgates to Clay's targets. But if it fails, we're likely looking at more consolidation, sideways action that could frustrate short-term traders. This is why the current price zone is so critical. It's not just about what NEAR has done, it's about what it does next. Now let's not get lost in candlesticks alone. NEAR isn't just a speculative chart play. It's one of the few blockchains that actually delivers on the promises of speed, scalability, and low-cost transactions. Its sharding model allows it to process massive numbers of transactions without slowing down, something Ethereum still struggles with. That means it's not only attracting traders but also developers building real applications. And when you combine strong fundamentals with bullish technicals, you get the kind of setups that can attract both long-term investors and short-term speculators. That's how big runs start. Could NEAR really rally to $7.50? Let's play out both scenarios. In a bullish case scenario, Fed rate cuts keep liquidity flowing into crypto. AI narrative continues to heat up. NEAR breaks resistance and validates the inverse head and shoulders. In this case, Clay's targets become highly achievable, with momentum potentially stretching even beyond $7.50 if the broader market enters alt season. And in a bearish case scenario, RSI overbought levels trigger a sharp correction. Resistance holds firm, leading to weeks of consolidation. Macro shocks, like inflation data or Fed surprises, dampen risk appetite. In this case, NEAR could easily retrace to $2.60, $2.80 before attempting another breakout. The crypto crowd hasn't fully priced in NEAR's AI angle yet. Right now the spotlight is on Ethereum and Solana. But as more people realize NEAR has already built AI agent infrastructure, sentiment could flip quickly. This setup reminds a lot of traders of Solana's breakout in 2021, when it went from $3 to over $200 in less than a year. Nobody believed it at first, then it happened. NEAR won't necessarily follow the same script, but the ingredients are similar. Strong fundamentals, bullish technicals, and a hot narrative. Here's what I'll be watching closely in the coming weeks. Breakout confirmation above $3.38 and $3.80. The golden cross between the 50-day and 100-day EMA. RSI cooling down without breaking bullish momentum. Macro shifts, especially how the Fed's rate cuts ripple into crypto markets. If those boxes start getting ticked, NEAR could become one of the best performing altcoins of Q4. If you've been ignoring NEAR, now's the time to pay attention. This isn't just another mid-cap altcoin, it's positioning itself at the heart of the AI blockchain economy. Do you think NEAR will smash resistance and rally towards $7.50, or will it stall and consolidate? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I'm curious where you stand. And of course, if you enjoy deep dive crypto breakdowns like this, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next big move. Disclaimer: this video is for educational and informational purposes only. Nothing here should be taken as financial advice. Cryptocurrency investments are highly volatile and risky. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions.